that hand up. Lift this hand up so you see more of your palm. There you go. And then this one, I just want to see these fingers, not your thumb. Lift it up higher. Lift it up higher. Hold on. Bring it that way towards your helmet more. This one. No, not your head. No, your head's perfect. Just, okay, hold still.
Is my skull cap on okay?
No, you want to fix it? It looks ridiculous.
No, it's my pirate. My pirate patch.
And cover your one eyeball up with it?
I think this would be easier to do if I had my helmet off.
Yeah. Well, you can fix it later.
I'm done. Put 91 in it.
Yeah. That's what you want.
I got some overspill.
Yeah, you did. It'll evaporate.
It's very windy.
Yeah, no, we may not want to go. It's 65 degrees. So it's warm.
We're going to go up, then we're going to go left or west on Carrier.
Gotcha.
Can you hear me even though my hood's not up?
Not very well, but it's okay. you okay?
Yeah, I think I'm okay.
It's not cold.
No, it's not terribly cold. It is a bit gusty.
No, it's not as bad as that one day we went riding.
Oh, man.
So what do you want to do? You keep going?
Yeah, let's go to the next one. Maybe we can go down towards Ringwood and back. I don't know if I want to go all the way out to the lake. I think it'd be super windy out there. Maybe go back the way around Ringwood home.
Yeah, I'll just follow you, whatever you'd
Where's
like
the
to do.
Ringwood turn?
Back there.
That was Ringwood?
Oh no, not the Ringwood. I don't know.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're gonna go the back way to Ringwood, you might as well go to the lake. It's just as far.
Okay.
Okay. Where's your hair? That was a bug. All right.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not that bad really. It's just gusty. This is roughly the halfway point.
I'm getting buffeted. And I'm having, here, you hold my glove. I'm having a costume malfunction. I can't, because the wind comes spinning up here,
Yeah.
I can't keep my,
Pants on?
no, I can keep my pants on, I can't keep my coat down.
Oh,
So I'm gonna belt my coat.
I see.
And I gotta figure out how to do this because I'm doing it without looking.
Why don't you get off? Might
What?
make it easier if you get off the bike.
No, I don't want to get off. I want to make this as hard as possible.
Get off your bike, you silly person. You're gonna ding your paint up with your silly belt buckle.
Yes.
It'd be easier if you got off and did it.
No, I want it to be hard.
Okay.
But I'm trying.
That might work.
I get this wind that comes up off. I must come around like this.
Yeah, it comes around. That's why people like those Batwing bikes with the fairing that comes around here.
Yeah.
'Cause it directs the wind out around away from you.
That might like. That's only as tight as I can do it.
Okay, I'll probably keep
So-
it there. So what do you want to do? You want to keep going or you want to turn around? We're about halfway there.
I think I want to turn around. I'm getting blown to smithereens. It
Okay.
makes me feel nervous as a new rider
Yeah.
because I do this.
Okay.
I'm not as like woo
So,
yet. So where do
so
we
this
go?
is not the road. This is not the road to go to Ringwood. You have to go further that way if you want to go that way. So you want to just go back the way we came then?
Okay, yeah. I'm not miserable or anything like that.
I don't think I want to make a big loop around south of Ringwood like we did the other day though. If we're going to go that far, we might as well go to the lake. I'd rather just turn around and go back at this point. Because you have quite a ways to go still to go that way to hit that road.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, well I guess we're turning
You probably got
around.
another 10 miles at least.
Okay, well I guess we're going to turn around then.
If you don't want to continue forward.
I don't think I want to continue forward. I'm having costume malfunction.
Okay.
And I'm getting really buffeted.
I don't think it'll be as bad going the other direction because the wind's
Okay, I can give it a try.
coming
I'm not
out
trying
of
to be
the.
whiny. It's just it's nerve-wracking.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm learning. I'm learning.
I know you
Second
are.
time out on this motorcycle,
Take a time out.
isn't it?
What?
This is the second time that I've gone out on a ride on this motorcycle.
On a big? No, this is the third time. Because we went to Guthrie,
Oh, we did.
and then
go
we went to
Guthrie.
the Astro Blame.
Okay, so this is number 3.
This is the third time out. That's fine. I don't mind turning around and going back.
Huh?
I don't mind turning around and going back. I'd rather
Okay, well, I'm going to
do
turn to
it.
the right and go around.
Oh, just go back around to the road over here.
Uh-huh.
Okay.